So as a CCTV installer and often the person who's sent to troubleshoot the actual tech behind NVRs and cameras, I've gone to customer houses and they don't know where their wired mouse is. I sometimes carry one with me, but sometimes the NVR is very far from their monitor. And in this case, it's not even direct connected. I have my HDMI cord going to it. So Reolink, and really any wireless USB mouse, came up with an idea. They have this wireless USB mouse. There was a couple things. I had to insert batteries. It did come with this dongle, this USB dongle, which I'm going to put inside the NVR. It says that it's going to recognize it immediately. Let's see. It does. There's my mouse. So now I can come over here, and instead of being really far away, as you can see, the mouse is responsive. I can come down here and I can change my display mode, put it down to a single camera. I can change different cameras. I can come back down here and switch it back to my preferred mode. I can see my event history. I can do playback, backup, and the all-important settings, which is usually what I'm on site to do. Here in the settings, I can change all kinds of things, and I can add a camera. So having the USB wireless mouse is absolutely the best way for me to help my customers stay safe and secure.